Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for NASDAQ price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This is an intraday. We're gonna see what happened today, what it's gonna happen next. So as you can see, finally we break one level to get some confirmation here, and of course remove some scenarios where we are looking potentially for a ending diagonal towards the upside. And we see, of course, that this did not happen. We saw a broken level for an ABC here, and we're talking about this ABC, which it was a 1-to-1 fib level, now broken, meaning we're looking for the next level. And of course, the next level is the 1-to-1 fib level again for a bigger A, B, and a C, which it can be, of course, a correction here for a wave 2 in a leading diagonal, meaning this leading diagonal finally took decision, as a wave 1 here, 3, 4, and a 5. Here we go. So potentially we're looking for this wave 2. We're looking for this correction to be finished potentially at the 1-to-1 fib level. And of course, as ABC, this is a wave C. That's why it is impulsive. You're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for a wave 3, 4, and a 5 to finish at the 1-to-1 fib level, of course, at 17,680. If we break this, if the price overshooted, well, if we enter this zone again, this is a dangerous zone, of course, towards the recession signal again, which is very huge. So we don't want to see, of course, this. Let's watch also SPX for the 500 as well. Okay, perfect. The same scenario here was given. The triangle was broken, of course, where we saw even a blue box broken again, so much more even better confirmation. We don't have any of these scenarios. The only scenarios that it worked here is this one, of course, as looking for A, B, and a C. And finally, we got a decision for the price. Where are we heading? 5,889 or 5,071. So basically, again, the same scenario for NASDAQ, potentially wave 2 here. You're looking at for a wave 2 after a wave 1. Of course, it took a decision. There is no impulse toward the upside. But of course, don't forget as well, in SPX, there is something different, that you might still be in a wave 5. Let me explain. Potentially in SPX, you are in 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is a wave 5. Now, the scale of this wave 5 is huge, I know, but it's still 1, 2, 3, and you're looking for a correction wave 4 without 100% invalidation, and you're still potentially looking for lower, meaning you are in 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5. Why it is a low possibility? Because first, if you are in 1, 2, your wave 2 touch the 886, so very low possibility to take, of course, an impulse here as 1, 2, 3. It is much higher possibility that it is a wave C. And that gives higher possibility again, of course, for a leading diagonal toward the upside. Yep, so these are the updates for SPX and the NDX based on the intraday. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.